Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Boom Toys. And now we learn wild animals names. And put like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go. Wow, what is this? Let's guess. 1, 2, 3, right. This is a snake.
A snake is such a long and slippery creature without legs. The cheetah is such a cute and fast kitty from the wild. He has a very beautiful fur decorated with black spots. Just like a kitten, cheetah can run very fast.
Oh, so interesting, my friends. And what is the animal? Right, this is maybe lion.
The lion is a huge and strong kitty with a mane.
Wow, excellent. This is a very strong animal. This is a bear.
A bear is a big and furry animal that has strong paws like a great friend for cuddling.
This is a very interesting bird. Okay, what is this? This is a flamingo.
Sometimes they can even take to the sky and fly high and high, as if on a magic balloon.